ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪಡಗಾಗಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮೋರ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Read the given passage and answer the questions, question number 31 to the question number 38, that follow by the selecting the most appropriate options. Please read carefully. Number 31 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. Galileo could become a qualified mathematician as the court mathematician offered him private tuition. Question number 32 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. He had a little bit of success with his innovation. Here innovation means ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 4, creating or producing something useful for the first time. Question number 33 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. The first observations of the sky made by Galileo are correct answer is options 2, both A and B is correct. Question number 34, Galileo invented telescope with 24 hours after he heard about a scientist had invented. Is correct answer is 4, spyglass. Question number 35 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. Galileo decided to work on one of his own innovations when he 35 ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 3, heard that a Dutch scientist had innovated spyglass. Question number 36 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. According to the passage, Galileo had made experiment with 36 ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 1, telescope, pendulum, thermometer and compass. Question number 38 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. The line from the passage which maths is options 4 is correct. Read the given poem and answer the questions number 39 to the question number 45 that follow by the selecting the most appropriate options. Read carefully the poem. Question number 40 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. The poem is about options 3 is correct, expression of love in different ways. Question number 41 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. The line which express the poet loves the beloved every moment is options 2 is correct. I love thee with the breath, smiles, tears of all my life. Question number 42, the poet express her love freely. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 3 is correct, as men strive for right. Question number 43 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. I love thee with the fashion put to use. Here fashion means a strong emotion. Question number 44, the poet express love with options 4 is correct, the breath, smiles and tears of all her life. Question number 45, the poet loves is beloved. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 4, A, B, C is. Answer the questions. Question number 46 to the 60 that follow by selecting the most appropriate options. Question number 46. The mock interview enables the learners to develop speaking and listening. Question number 47 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. One of the ways of enabling the students to comprehend the passage would be to the ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ 47ಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 48 ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಥ್ರೂ imitating the teacher. Creates a classroom environment to the learners to be an independent learner through constructive approach. The most important objective of formative assessment is, options 1 is correct, the provide a qualitative feedback and students learning. Question number 51 discuss modana. Role play should be an integral part of every language classroom because it is an effective classroom management teaching tech. Question number 52 discuss modana. The student listening to the dialogue between the traffic police and the passerby the asking a direction to railway station, the fill in the gaps and then practice dialogue with a partner. Next day they practice asking for directions. This task is based on the grammar and translation method. Question number 53 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. English teacher pre-teaches the expression which are most appropriate for practicing the language functions in examples such as I suggest, I would say that the language function stated in this example is advising is correct answer. Question number 54 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. Suggested sequence of teaching procedure, balanced presentations of information and organize the units of learning experience are the features of. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ 54ಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 2 is correct. ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 55. ಟೀಚರ್ ಟೀಚಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲರೈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 55ಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 4 ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 56 ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Group project work in English helps the students in developing the collaboration, critical thinking and problem solving. Question number 57 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. Teacher gives an outline of a story and asks the students to develop a story out of it. The type of activity is called. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೈಡೆಡ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. Question number 58 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. One of the important objective of teaching supplementary reading is to develop 58 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 3 extensive reading skills among the learners. Question number 59 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. No lemon, no melon. This is an example for a tongue twister. Question number 60 discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. Everybody were at the party last night. The correct form of this expression is, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 4 everybody was at the party last night.